Hey guys, it's Kamiyah Queen back at it again with another video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I get this little bun, twisted bun, I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to figure it out anyways. I'm going to show you how I get this because it's looking, I'm looking cute. What can I say? I'm cute anyway, but back to the video. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you want to see in a future video. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post. And let's get started.
Okay, so first I'm starting off with my spray bottle, and it just has water in it, and that's it. And I'm just spraying it all over my hair basically, but mostly just on the, what's it called, the perimeter of my hair. And then I'm combing it out with a wide tooth comb. Don't mind the little things flying around. I know you can see that, but it's like kind of dusty by my window and kind of a little bit of product buildup mixed in with there, but it's okay. We're just going to keep coming through because it doesn't matter. It's not what you came here for. So now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to add it where I put that water at, basically just on the outside of my head. And I'm just going to smooth that over. And I'm going to put it in the front too. You know, adding a lot of gel because my hair, I don't know, it's been getting a little bit thicker ever since I've been using the weave or whatever and box braids and all that stuff. But anyways, now we're just going to take a brush and just smooth those parts where you added the gel, which is the outside of your head once again. So just keep on brushing. Just keep on brushing until you get like a nice smooth base. So just keep on brushing. And usually I would brush way longer, but I didn't want this video to be that long. So now I'm just going to take this blue scrunchie. I don't know why it's blue. I should have chosen a black one. But anyways, I'm just going to take that and I'm going to wrap it around my head about 3 times, I think. And then put it into a bun on the 3rd time, I think. Yeah. So now I am going to take a rubber band and I'm going to tuck those end pieces away with that rubber band. So now you have like a nice little bun for your twist to be around. So now I'm taking this, it's not even a whole pack of weave, like it's like a 1/3, and it's what I had left, so that's what I'm using. So now I'm going to take it, and I used a black scrunchie. I took off the yellow rubber band, took off the yellow rubber band that came with it and put a black one on it so you couldn't see it inside my bun. So now I'm just going to start twisting all the way down to the end. And at first you'll twist like 3 times and it still won't look like a twist because of the way that the hair is on your head. So you just got to keep twisting until it starts to look like a twist, and then just twist and twist and twist all the way down to the bottom. And I'm not twisting super tight or anything. Twisting kind of loosely because you want your bun to be kind of big. You know, if you want a bigger bun, you twist a little bit looser, but if you want a smaller bun, you'll twist a little bit tighter. And make sure you twist all the way down to the end because it's going to come in handy whenever wrapping your bun. So at the end, what I like to do is borrow hair from the other side and twist and twist and twist, and then borrow the hair again and twist and twist and twist, so that it's kind of like sealed off without you like dipping your ends or putting a rubber band at the end. So just borrow the hair and twist, borrow the hair and twist and twist. So this is what my twist is looking like after I've twisted it. And now I'm going to see where I want it to be positioned at and just like wrap it. And I didn't really like it like that. See, it looks bad like that. So now I'm going to get my bobby pins from the dresser because I needed those and I forgot them. And I'll be back over to the camera. I'm back. What's up? How's it going? So now I'm taking this big black scrunchie and like making my bun smaller because it was too big. And see, that's the part that's going to show. The part that's like really tight, you're going to see that part. So it doesn't matter what the bottom half looks like. So you just want to wrap it in the direction that you want it to be. And you will see a little bit of my hair, but it's okay because it kind of blends in with the other hairs to make it look like it's my hair, if that makes sense. Even though my hair is not twisted, you'll just see a little bit of it, but it blends in because I got it. This is the color 1B Kanekalon hair, if you didn't know. That's the only color that I ever use. And now I am just going to place bobby pins all over my head just to make sure that my bun is kind of secured so that I don't have to worry about it unraveling or anything. And the reason why you twist it all the way to the end and borrowed hair so it can be kind of secured when you twist it, because you'll have little strands that are still twisted around your bun, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just going to keep adding all these bobby pins to my hair all over the place, top, bottom, middle, side, whatever, wherever you feel like you need a bobby pin at, just put it there. And now I'm going to lay my edges and I'll be back when I finish that. Okay?
Okay, so this is the finished look. I mean, I laid my edges. My scarf was sitting on my head for about like an hour, I guess. And my hair's like kind of dry in the front, you know, from all that water that I sprayed on it. But this is the finished look, so yeah. So this is the finished look. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you want to see in a future video, so I'm not just posting videos that you don't want to see. Or if you do want to see something, of course, comment down below what you want to see in a future video. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.